So what we have here is an iPhone 11, and the problem is the backlight went out when the guy was changing the screen. And there's some other problems, but for now, they want us to fix the backlight, so let's fix it. Boom! Look at this. Look at this. It is all done. We fixed it up, nice and new, ready to go. Backlight's nice and pretty. Got it all fixed up. It's amazing what these little tiny chips on the inside do. We actually have to separate the sandwich board on this. So we do. So, another one in the books. If you need our help, please comment, like, subscribe. Please ask your questions below. And please follow us. Link up with us. Love to have you. Thanks so much. Take care.